Everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to change store currency on Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to your settings, and after that you'll have to go to store details, and then here you can go on and change the store currency. So you can see I have US dollars, so you can click on it and basically you can use any of these available. And basically let me go with euro, and then you have of course to save it. Don't forget to save. And as you can see, you may need to update your pricing and shipping rates to prevent unexpected results at checkout. Then you can click on change formatting, and as you can see here, if you know any code, as you can see, change how currency are displayed on your store. The amount and amount and decimals will be replaced with the price of your product. So here you can play around with this, and basically that's all you have to do. After you change your currency, don't forget to go to products and then click on your products, and then make sure to change the pricing, because as I said, this will change the pricing, and maybe you want to increase it or decrease it based on what you sell and everything. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.